Hello, welcome back to another Halloween video and another voiceover because these are just easier for me to do on tutorials lately and I've been enjoying it. So today we're doing this kind of like watercolor sketchy style skull look and I freaking love this look so much. I'm obsessed with it and I got the inspiration from Sam St. John on Instagram. I love her and you should check her out. I'll link her down below. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this, let's jump into it. I'm using my Morphe 35B palette and I'm just going in with a few different colors around the eye. I took like a lighter blue color and I put it on the inner corner of my eye. I blended it up and around the front of my eyebrow too. And then I went in with a darker purple on the lower lash line and kind of winged it out towards like my temple area. Then I'm going in with a more peachy shade and I'm applying that on the outer corner into my crease to kind of connect with the blue, and then I'm also applying it on the inner corner underneath my eye. Now I'm going in with that light blue again and my blending brush, and I'm putting this in the area where you would contour normally, so directly right under your cheekbone. And I'm also going in with a darker navy blue after that too, just to define that area even more. Then I'm going in with a stippling brush just to kind of blend it all out, and then I'm also blending a purple shade onto my temples and doing the same thing where I took an even darker purple and just focused that right into the hairline to kind of add some more depth. Quickly went in with my Kat Von D Metal Crush highlighter as well on my cheekbone, and then you also see me here putting a pink and purple shade on my jawline. Now I'm going in with a mix of the peach shade that I used on my eye and a darker plum color, and I'm using the lighter color and just blending it in and around my whole mouth area, and then I'm deepening the center of my mouth with the darker plum shade. Now I'm just applying a lighter purple shade with a little bit of blue around the nose area and also highlighting it again with that same highlighter. Then I'm going in and starting the teeth. I'm using a small lip brush for this because I find it's good for the kind of teardrop shape that I'm trying to do. I'm using a white water activated face paint and I'm basically just placing the brush down and kind of flicking it upwards almost so that I can get the little tooth shape that I'm looking for. Here I'm just going in with the deeper plum shade again on an angled brush, and I'm just putting this in between the teeth to give a little bit more definition. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. I'm going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm basically just going to start off by outlining the teeth. This is really easy to do because it's supposed to look messy, kind of like a sketch, so you can do thin lines and thick lines and it doesn't matter, just make it look kind of messy looking. Sorry, I totally forgot to record me doing the nose, but basically it's kind of like a teardrop shape but with 2 points at the top. It's not too hard. Again, it can be messy, so don't worry about it too much. But now I'm moving on to the rest of the face. Again, using a reference photo to get an idea of where the contours in the skull are going to help a lot. And I'm also going in and outlining the eye socket area too. Keep it messy, have fun with it. It's supposed to look not perfect. I'm also going in and thickening up some spots where I put the liner down. I just think it gives it a cool effect to have some spots be really dark. also went and outlined my collarbone and neck area and added a little bit of eyeshadow there too. Applied my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, a pair of Sassy lashes from Glam Cosmetics, and that is basically it for this look. I'm freaking obsessed with how this look came out. I love it so much, and I would definitely wear this to a Halloween party. But basically, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a like if you did. Subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you in another video soon. Happy Halloween!